What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tyler here, back again with another video. This one I've been waiting for a long time. Obviously I was just waiting for the perfect moment for it, and I think now is the time for the perfect moment. I've got a certain part for today's video. As you can see by the title, yes, it is gonna be sequential indicators, as I've got the box here. It's from B7 Performance. So with B7 Performance, make sure to go over to the website and check it out. It does anything. He'll get you the parts, etc. You name it, he'll try his best to get it. But yeah, if you go over to the website, get your parts for Fiestas, you name it, whatever part you want, please make sure to use Tyler Scott in all capitals for 10% off on all parts. Right, let's get straight to the video. The part in my hand, and sorry, it was raining. It's a bit wet. It's bare cold, man. It's bare cold. Right, when you get these indicators, you'll get a tool that comes like that. So it's easier just to get the cap, your cap off the side mirrors. It's easier than using a flathead and you smashing it up and that. Right, here are the actual sequential indicators. As you can see, they're all covered in that, so it's all perfectly done. They're absolutely great, actually. In person, they're absolutely great. They're also even tinted. So yeah, man, let's get straight to it. And right, guys, there you have it. As I was saying, with these clips, I took the case off, and this is what it looks like. Excuse the wind because it's quite windy over here. But now it's the case of unplugging this. Take this out like so, and it's that bit you want to take off, which is like so. So you got that one off, and then you'll usually all be going, but the bulb's there. But you take it out and you replace it with inside there. So as I was saying, so you get the bulb, take it out like so, because it has the same end point, and then, excuse the wind, Jesus, and then you just plug it in and we'll go from there. Now it's all done. I couldn't do it, like, it's only one hand. Obviously that's on now. Now look at it, where it goes perfectly. It's all, oh man, that looks so much better. But this is what the outcome is. So you go over here and push the hazard, and there you have it. I think that goes really well. As you see with the motor. Oh mate, it looks so much better. Now it's time to get with the other one, which is over there. Let's get it.
It's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah.
Mate, I think that's fucking sick. Like, I think it definitely makes a change on the car. So what I've done is, I don't know if I'm going to get away with the top bit, but so I've used a black silicone, but what I've used in there, obviously it's 3M tape, but I thought it'd be much better if I smooth it out like that. And then what I can do is go over it and then sand it and then spray it if it does look a bit bad, but at the moment I think it's looking absolutely sick. I actually like these as much as like I've noticed that they're a bit squared at the bottom, but it's different. I could add something once I get the spats. It'll be a bit different story. You know, drop it down here because it makes it look like it's out of shape, but I don't think that's that bad, you know. I really am starting to like it. It's just, it gives it that, it gives it that evil look, man. No, I do like these. I really do like these. Guys, it's currently, I wouldn't say next day, I'll probably say a week or so. Yes, I've had my hair highlighted. I haven't done anything to it yet today. Couldn't be asked, to be fair. So yeah, so things are different. I had brown hair and now I'm blonde again. But yeah, so basically I just want to talk about the fins at the back. I couldn't really video it because it's not excuses, it's just because it's the fact that where I'm working Monday to Friday full time, and now it's got to the year where everything gets dark after 4 o'clock. I come back, I've took pictures and stuff like that, but I don't know if I should do it. But I don't really want a video in the dark. I just think it's pointless and etc. stuff like that. If you had a garage and or stuff like that, then like you're sweet as, because you can do it anytime you want. But I really like to film during the day, but let's get straight to the point. I've looked at the fins. I'll shout my boy out on the bottom below in the link. If you want one, or if you want a pair and stuff like that, these are just like copies. So like they're not actually fully dropped yet. So I thought I'll put it on my car, look at it, and to be honest, I really like them how they are now. I'll definitely leave his Instagram below. If you ever want some, he'll get you some. But I think they're fucking spot on, to be fair. And a big shout out to him, because I think that's quality, and it's definitely made such an improvement on the car. And now it looks like a nice little Hot Wheel. It looks pretty sick. I really do I'm liking the build so far, and I hope you lot liking the build. I'm seeing everyone's comments. I'm replying Instagram, Facebook, YouTube comments. I'm replying as fast as I can to you lot, and it's absolutely great how you lot actually seeing how my build's going and appreciating it. So I appreciate how you lot are respecting me, and I can't thank you enough. We're almost at 2K, and a bigger surprise, I've almost hit 100,000 views in my channel, which is absolutely amazing, man. Do you know how hard it is to YouTube to it's just, oh no. So them fins at the back, there's 2 big ones and there's 2 small ones. So the small ones go on the sides and the big ones in the middle, of course. But I think the sharp edge makes it look like a race look, like it looks like that track look. I've noticed a lot of people have like ones that are curved. I don't know why. I don't know why people want to go curve and stuff like that. Obviously each to their own. But I was sitting there thinking, I was searching up and stuff like that. I was like, is it supposed to curve, or is it supposed to be flat, or is this cut out properly? But to me, as what it looks like now, I like it. I hope you lot like it, and if you want to pair me up on Instagram, Facebook, you name it, I'll get back to you. I've answered everyone, so just get back to it and then go from there. Guys, as I was like, before the video ends now, I just want to say that if you have any ideas, or you think what would look cool and stuff like that, I know someone mentioned mud flaps, but I'm not a big fan, but I'll see if we get a lot of it. I could do, I could not. So if you got any ideas what you think I should do to my build, please leave it down below. I'll be so interested to look at everyone's comments and stuff like that. I'll definitely look into it, and we'll keep building it for the people out there that have Zetec S's. Yes, no one else has the STs and stuff like that, and all they can afford is this. I think it's gone a good way how it's gone. But yeah, so I think not so far now, this Zetec S is actually pretty decent, to be fair. Changing interior wise, even then, give me ideas. I'll definitely look into it and make sure. I've already put stuff out there what I want to change in that. I'm not gonna say because it would just ruin it, and what's the point? But just let me know what you lot would like me to change, and I will definitely look into it all, and then we'll keep grinding, you know what I mean? But yeah, we'll keep on grinding, guys. All I'm gonna say is the fact that I can't believe how well this has gone, this build. It's absolutely amazing. It's just sick. Right, guys, that is the end of the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one, because the next one's going to be absolutely lit. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram. Make sure to follow my Instagram below, and all my other social medias. I'm going to make something look really sick. I'm not actually going to show you, obviously. It's something to do, I'm going to say, all the hint is, it's something to do with the brake calipers, but I'm not mentioning no colours. That's it. Enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Peace.